Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips Monitor E1 line for monitors. So friends, Philips has introduced the Monitor E1 series product line including Philips 27E1 and 1800A, 27E1 and 1800AE, 27E1 and 1900AE and 32E1 and 1800LA and are equipped with 27-inch and 32-inch 4K UHD display with sleek design, 3-side frameless standard design to facilitate multi-monitor setup and innovative features to enhance both visual performance and any physical comfort. And the monitors are true treat for eyes, IPS and VA panel, so delivering wide viewing angles, sharp images, bright colors, which ultra-clear 4K UHD resolution ensure that photographers, CAD images, 3D graphics, even split set look fantastic. And in addition, SmartContrast analyze the content on the screen and automatically adjust both color and backlight for heightened contrast so that images and videos are always optimized displays. And friends, all monitors including connectivity ports, DisplayPort, HDMI and USB Type-C port for fast data transfer, and built-in stereo speakers enhance multimedia experience, and environmental features including energy-saving features, reduced power consumption, RoHS certification, and use of eco-friendly material including 100% recyclable packaging. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.